Hey gang! Guess what time it is? It's almost the new moon coming up January 29th. But I haven't made videos for a while, and it's a beautiful morning out here in Hawaii. The first thing I did was to make sure that the bird had enough food this morning before it starts to rain, and it's crazy. Look at the sky. So these feeling of water are negative ion, and so you can see how it works, right? It's white, and pretty much what we have in our machine. When you start to do Minicle Micro Bubble, you can start to see the water turning exactly white like this. It's called nature in a box. So check us out and learn more about what is Minicle Bubble, which is really what this is giving this energy. You see how it works? These bubbles are what we create inside for you through our Minicle Micro Bubble system. So check it out. Here's our our website, and learn more. We're going to start to have webinars and seminars and workshops to give you guys more understanding about this wonderful thing called Minicle Bubble. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the other side. Aloha! The two difference between a micro bubble, yes, doesn't a micro bubble taste better for you? This is a difference between a micro bubble and a regular bubble. Regular shower, and this is a micro bubble. That's the difference. Can I make another dog out of you, baby? Look at that.